Are you excited to play? Hi guys. Yeah, oh, there's let's wait for our turn. Welcome to Kitsunya, guys. Oh, yan, ang daming shops dito. Nasaan na yung dalawa? Sige, sige. Oh, is that parang basketball, oh. Yan yung court. Ito, bilis. Here they are. Oh, there's a bike also here. Naka-park. Hi, ate. You said it. Is that your favorite? Oh, sige. I'm excited to go to the ball pit. Go. Yay! Yahoo! Laki ng ball pit. Wow. Yes, ate. Hi. Hello, Debri. Oh. Okay, I'm going with you. You'll go out there. Yeah. That is a slide. Come on, you go out there. Why? Sure. Slide ka ulit, Siki. Slide ka. Slide ka ulit, Siki. Videoan kita. Ay, ate Bes, si Siki, oh. Baka malaglag. Ayan, Siki's gonna slide. Oh, slide. Sit down. Dali, slide ka. Yay! Si ate. Hi! Water slide. Go! Oh, sige! Nagulat ako. Ang bilis! Ang bilis, wow! Nasaan si ate? Where's Bree? Bree, where are you? Okay, guys. Slide lang. Where are you? Nakakit ka din, Erin. May sisigi naman. Ready na siya. Sakay, sakay. Ate, sisigi naman. Ate, sisigi naman. Okay. You give it to Sigi. Come on.
Good afternoon. Attention customer airline customer Wendra. The counter area, please. Thank you.
Hawa ka. Ay. Oy, may isa naman daw. Sister. What happened to you? May daw, may. Ayaw pa, what? May daw. It's his turn. Come on, let's see how funny he is. Hawakan mo yan. Hold, dali. Going to the trampoline. Go, go, go. Oh, jump, jump. Hi, Sigi. So gonna have some ice cream. Wow, so many flavors. So how much is an ice cream? How much? I like the strawberry this one. What is- Okay, I'll be your first customer. I'll be your first customer. Okay. Wow. Everything's just so delicious. So another one. This is my cup. You give me my order, okay? I want strawberry and vanilla. Oh, breeze in the trampoline. Wow, that is so fast. Sige, akit ka. Hindi ba kaya? Hindi siya makaakyat, ate. Oh. Tignan mo, yan, umakyat siya, oh. Go, Sigi! You can do it! Almost there! Galing mo! Ang tagal umakyat! Ang tagal umakyat, oh!